see something else because you're still going to come back in your next game and you want to have seen somebody else.
What are you doing, Jack man? What's Muscle Man doing? What are you doing? Talk to us. Come on, you gotta talk to us. Hey, boy.
And some of the big name teams have really struggled in the opening games. And how about Spain and Germany and England? People over there really wondering what's
Hey, boy. What are you doing?
And of course,
You want to talk to us? Say hi to the camera.
And the official who made it, we are told, is probably going to officiate any of the games.
Come on.
The remainder of the World Cup.
Say hi.
The United States is usually Nomar has been now.
He's calling you.
Johnson on a fastball.
Yeah. Show us your muscles. Show me the muscles.
And they trail by 7 runs.
Yeah, look at them muscles. Couple fat rolls in there.
The first one outside.
No. No. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Slowly rolling to second. Reaches. Two balls. Nebraska and several states in this area have been hit as well as tornadoes. If you want to help disaster relief efforts,
Show me the muscles again.
make a $10 donation.
Show me your muscles.
Through texting
Jack.
to 9099. Standard texting rates.
Let's see your muscles.
There are a lot of people that can really use your help out here. Ben McMahon will be the pinch hitter for Mark Zanino.
Hey, Daddy, hide the camera somewhere so he didn't see it.
Yeah, well, he already sees it. He doesn't realize what a camera is.
No, look, hide somewhere. Hide it right here. Hide it right here. He can't see it though. Look right here. Look right here.